New York City. A metropolis that never sleeps, a melting pot of cultures, and a beacon of culinary innovation. A vibrant tapestry of culture and cuisine. From the food trucks lining the streets to the high-end restaurants, every corner of this city tells a story through its food. Amidst the bustling streets and towering skyscrapers, a culinary legend reigns supreme: New York cheesecake. This iconic dessert has become synonymous with the city itself. This dessert, with its velvety, smooth texture and rich, decadent flavor, has captured the hearts and palates of generations. Each bite is a testament to the craftsmanship and passion of New York's bakers. It's more than just a dessert, it's a symbol of the city itself, bold, indulgent, and utterly irresistible. The cheesecake embodies the spirit of New York, resilient, diverse, and always evolving. Whether enjoyed in a bustling midtown diner or a cozy Brooklyn cafe, a slice of New York cheesecake is a quintessential New York experience. It's a moment of indulgence that connects people to the city's rich culinary heritage. Its fame has transcended borders, captivating taste buds across the globe. From Tokyo to Paris, New York cheesecake is celebrated and savored, a true testament to its universal appeal. But the true essence of this dessert lies in the heart of the Big Apple, where its legacy continues to thrive, one delicious bite at a time. In every bakery and cafe, the spirit of New York cheesecake lives on, a sweet reminder of the city's enduring charm. Creating a New York cheesecake is akin to an artist preparing their palette. Each ingredient is like a color, contributing to the overall masterpiece. Just as an artist carefully selects each hue, we must meticulously choose and prepare our ingredients to achieve the perfect cheesecake. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, contributing to the final masterpiece. The balance and harmony of flavors depend on the quality and combination of these elements. Let's unveil the stars of our show, the essential components that make our cheesecake truly special. First, we have the crust's backbone, graham cracker crumbs. These crumbs form the foundation of our cheesecake, providing a delightful crunch and a subtle sweetness. These provide a delightful, earthy contrast to the rich filling. The texture and flavor of the crust are crucial in balancing the creamy, dense filling. Next, melted butter binds the crumbs, creating a sturdy base for our cheesecake. The butter not only holds the crust together, but also adds a rich, buttery flavor that complements the graham crackers. Moving on to the heart of the cheesecake, the filling. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a luscious, creamy delight. Cream cheese, the star ingredient, lends its signature tangy richness. It's the key to achieving that smooth, velvety texture that makes cheesecake so irresistible. Granulated sugar adds sweetness and helps create a lusciously smooth texture. The sugar balances the tanginess of the cream cheese, ensuring each bite is perfectly sweet. Eggs bind the ingredients, while a touch of sour cream enhances the tanginess and adds moisture. The eggs give structure to the cheesecake, while the sour cream ensures it remains moist and flavorful. Finally, a hint of vanilla extract elevates the flavor profile with its warm, aromatic notes. This small addition makes a big difference, adding depth and complexity to the cheesecake's flavor. Our cheesecake's journey begins with a sturdy foundation, the crust. In a bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs and melted butter. Use your fingertips to work the butter into the crumbs until evenly moistened. Transfer this mixture to a spring-form pan. Press it firmly into an even layer along the bottom and slightly up the sides of the pan. A flat-bottomed measuring cup helps achieve an even, compact crust. Now it's time to pre-bake the crust. This step ensures that it holds its shape and doesn't become soggy. Bake it in a preheated oven until lightly golden. Once done, set it aside to cool while we prepare the star of the show, the cheesecake filling. Section 4. The heart of the matter, mixing the creamy filling. With the crust cooling, let's turn our attention to the cheesecake's soul, the creamy filling. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese and sugar until perfectly smooth and light. Make sure to scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl to incorporate any rogue lumps of cream cheese. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Overbeating can introduce air into the batter, leading to cracks in the cheesecake. Gently mix in the sour cream and vanilla extract until just combined. Remember, the key here is to avoid overmixing, which can result in a dense rather than airy cheesecake. Section 5. Baking and chilling, the patience games. This is where your patience and precision will be tested to the fullest. Baking a cheesecake is not just about mixing ingredients, it's an art that requires careful attention to detail and a lot of waiting. Pour the creamy filling over the cooled crust, spreading it evenly. Make sure to smooth out the top to ensure an even bake. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect creamy texture that cheesecakes are known for. Now comes the part where patience is paramount: baking and chilling. The waiting game begins as you place your cheesecake in the oven. It's important to resist the urge to open the oven door frequently, as this can cause the temperature to fluctuate and affect the baking process. The cheesecake needs a gentle and slow bake to achieve its iconic smooth texture. Baking it slowly at a low temperature helps to prevent cracks and ensures a creamy consistency throughout. Place the springform pan inside a larger roasting pan. This setup is essential for creating a water bath, which helps to regulate the temperature and provides a moist environment for the cheesecake to bake evenly. Fill the roasting pan with hot water, creating a water bath. The water bath is a key element in preventing the cheesecake from drying out and cracking during the baking process. This helps to regulate the oven's temperature, preventing cracks in the cheesecake. The steam from the water bath keeps the cheesecake moist and ensures an even bake. Bake the cheesecake in a preheated oven until the edges are set and the center is just slightly jiggly. This slight jiggle indicates that the cheesecake is perfectly baked and will set properly as it cools. Turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool gradually in the water bath. This gradual cooling process helps to prevent sudden temperature changes that can cause the cheesecake to crack. This slow cooling process is crucial for a creamy, crack-free cheesecake. Allowing the cheesecake to cool in the oven with the door slightly open helps to bring down the temperature slowly and evenly. Once cooled, refrigerate the cheesecake for at least 6 hours, or preferably overnight. This extended chilling time allows the flavors to meld together and the texture to firm up perfectly. This allows the cheesecake to fully set, resulting in that coveted velvety smooth texture. The wait may be long, but the reward is a perfectly baked cheesecake that is sure to impress. Section 6. Touches of elegance garnishing your masterpiece. After a patient wait, our New York cheesecake is ready for its grand finale, garnishing. A simple dusting of powdered sugar adds a touch of elegance. Fresh berries, with their vibrant colors and juicy sweetness, provide a delightful contrast to the rich cheesecake. A drizzle of chocolate sauce adds a decadent touch, while a sprig of fresh mint elevates the presentation. Alternatively, get creative. Use your favorite fruits, sauces, or even edible flowers to personalize your cheesecake masterpiece. Section 7. A slice of heaven, savoring the rich rewards. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, slicing into our very own New York cheesecake. The first bite is pure bliss. The crisp graham cracker crust, the smooth, velvety filling, and the sweet, tangy flavor explosion. It's a dessert best enjoyed slowly, savoring each and every morsel. Whether enjoyed as a celebratory treat or a simple indulgence, a slice of New York cheesecake is a testament to the art of patience and the joy of good food. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and embark on your own cheesecake making adventure. The results, I assure you, are absolutely worth it.